वह पुरस्कार मेरा नाम क्रम प्रिय होगा। तब यह प्रभु की वाणी है। We make this prayer through Jesus Christ our Lord.
Day of joy on this day of hope, we come to you in love and find we come to this joy on this day of hope. We come to you in love, oh Lord, on this day of joy. Your saving blood on this day of hope. We come to you in love, oh Lord, on this day of we come to you in love. Make you be your body.
The Christmas day we celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ. खुदा यीशु मसीह इस धरती पे पैदा हुआ था प्यार के संदेश लेके, क्योंकि खुदा ने इस दुनिया को इतना प्यार किया था कि अपने इकलौते बेटे को धरती पे हमारे साथ रहने के लिए दिया था। तो Christmas is a commemoration of this celebration, God's love shown in the human form. So Jesus, after coming to this earth, he taught the humanity, आप आपस में प्यार करो, you love each other. So that's what today the message is, loving each other, loving even your enemies. If I begin to love the others, even my own enemies, automatically peace can be established in this world, especially the place Jammu and Kashmir. So as you know, lot of tension, lot of unrest, but at the same time, when we celebrate Christmas, Christmas brings with the message of love, that love can lead to peace. Love leads to peace is the message of Christmas for all of us.